Stop buying mops that leave the mess behind. Choose Bissell PowerFresh for adjustable steam and easy handling. Switch to Shark for larger floors. Choose by floor size, handling, and pad changes. For most homes, buy the Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop 1940. It's lightweight, steers easily around furniture, and brings adjustable steam without demanding much storage space. The removable tank also makes refilling simpler. A full tank runs roughly 20 to 30 minutes. The catch is that its pad needs time to cool before removal, which slows longer sessions. Its brush handles light grout grime, not deep cleaning. Skip it for huge tile or stone areas requiring frequent pad changes. For large hard floor zones, choose the Shark Genius Pocket Mop System S5003D. Its reversible pad covers more floor before you need another cleaning surface, while hands-free release keeps pad changes tidier. That suits big kitchens, mudrooms, or several tiled rooms. But its head isn't as agile around edges and furniture. The fixed tank also means using the filling cup or moving the mop to the sink. Skip it if compact steering, independent standing, or a removable tank matters more. Quick split. Bissell fits most sealed hard floors, tight spaces, and simpler refills. Shark fits bigger tiled zones where efficient pad changes matter more than nimble steering. Before buying, confirm your flooring is sealed, check the storage spot, and decide whether removable filling or faster pad changes will save more effort. Start with the Bissell PowerFresh unless your home has broad stretches of tile. In that case, pay more for the Shark's reversible pad and cleaner release system. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.